Hello friends, I am Kishore Kumar speaking. In this lecture, you are going to learn about Python 3 overview. This tutorial is for beginners only. Python's history. Okay. Python was created and developed by Guido van Rossum in the early 1990s at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science. It is in the Netherlands. The Python name was named after from a famous comedy show. His name is Monty Python's Flying Circus comedy program. Python is derived from many other languages, including ABC, Modula 3, C language, C++, Unix shell, and other scripting languages. It is a copyrighted language like Perl. Python source code is now available under the GNU General Public License. Python 1.0 was released in November 1994. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 year. Now the latest edition in Python 2 is 2.7.15. Meanwhile, Python 3.0 was released in 2008 year. Actually, Python 3 is not backward compatible with Python 2. Now the Python 3's latest version is 3.7.1. Okay friends, now what is Python? We will see. It is a high level language. Python is a high level language. What is meaning? What is high level language meaning? It is a readable. It is designed for highly readable language. Human readable language also. It is a structured language like C language, C++. It is interpreted language. It is interactive language, object-oriented scripting language, open source programming language. Python is a open source programming language. Okay. We will see applications of Python. Python is extensively used in artificial intelligence, robotics, also. Nowadays, we are using in web and internet development. It is extensively used in web and internet development also. The mainframes like Django, Pyramid, Flash. These are all web development mainframes. So these are all applications of Python also. The Python language extensively used in scientific and numeric computing like sci-fi language, Pandas, IPython. These are scientific computing programming languages. Moreover, NASA also using this Python language. In education field also Python extensively using, And Python also using desktop graphical user interfaces like WX widgets, KV, PyQt, PyQt, etc. etc. Python is also using software development process also, and business applications also. Python language extensively using. It is a it is very important language, very robust language. Now we will see in Python's features. It is a beginner's language. It is an interpreted programming language. Python interprets automatically. The Python is the interpreter. It automatically compiles the program into bytecode before execution. The interpreter converts the source code into machine language. Then it will process. Okay, it is an interactive programming language. You can directly write programs from Python prompt also. It is a it uses object oriented style programming. Its main feature is easy to learn because it has few keywords, simple structure, and clearly defined syntax. So everybody can easily learn the Python language. It has a broad standard library, and it is very portable and cross-platform compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. The Python works in interactive mode also. In interactive mode, you can test the program and debugging also. The Python is extendable to low-level modules also. The Python program provides interfaces to all major commercial databases like MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, etc. etc. Let's see what is interpreter. Here, computer running an interpreter. If you give source code, it means a program to the computer, the interpreter interprets interprets the program. The program was written in in high level language. That means human readable text. It is converted by the interpreter into the machine language. The machine language understands the computer. The computer processes that machine language and gives the output here. Okay. Now see interpreter. What is interpreter? Interpreters simulate a computer that understands a high-level language, humans readable text. The source program is not translated into machine language all at once. Step by step, the program it translates into machine language by the interpreter here. Then the interpreter analyzes and executes the source code instruction by instruction. Okay. If it is interpreter, the source code and interpreter are needed each time the program runs. So every time you want to run the program, if you want to run the program, The interpreter is needed to so every time the source code is to be executed and it gives the output. Okay, thank you. Thank you, friends. In the next tutorial, we are going to see basic syntax of Python 3. If you like these tutorials, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. We will meet in the next tutorial.